Alright everybody, so I just wanted to take a break from what I'm doing. So if you saw my earlier previous videos, you know that the CV joint split in two on both axles. So basically I did not want to pound out the this one's already installed. Basically I just put that around the coupler, so the end that connects into the transmission. I did not want to deal with it trying to get it out because I was afraid that part right there, I was afraid that I could like mess something up even more because the way things going working on my car. That's just usually how it is. So I just took off the boots. So I'm in the process of cutting this out because this is universal, and cut this out. We're gonna put it around this part. These are the bearings right here that goes on these little tripod things here. So one thing to note, guys, the reason why I didn't take this out is by slip on, because if you look on the snap ring, there's the snap ring right here. Let me find it. Here we go. So right there you can see that there's a ring there, but there's no way to get it open unless you have some kind of special tool. Regular snap ring pliers will not work. So that's why I'm doing this. And unfortunately, last night I had glued it together. So I'm cutting this part off to get it to the right size. And then down here, I've cut it apart and we'll super glue it again. Hopefully it works. So just a quick update. This is the grease I'm using. And yeah, please subscribe to the channel, guys. I'll show everything once it gets done.